Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure the tracker battery reads at least 50% and the SIM has a working data plan. Once done, place the device where it sees the sky, near a window or on the dashboard, because GPS needs an unobstructed view to get satellites. Then install the companion app, create your account, and record the device ID and password. This lets you link the hardware and prepare for live tracking. Next, pair and configure. Open the app and add the device with the ID, and give the app location and background data permissions so it can report continuously. Once paired, set the update interval. Choose 10 to 30 seconds for near real-time tracking, or extend to 1 to 5 minutes to conserve battery. Then perform a practical test. Move about 100 to 200 meters and watch the live feed on the map to confirm the accuracy and that the device uploads positions reliably. To finalize, mount the tracker securely so it won't shift and so the antenna faces skyward. Make sure it's protected from moisture and tampering. Then configure useful automation. Set geofences with arrival and departure alerts and enable low battery notifications so you don't get surprised. If the unit loses GPS fix or stops reporting, first toggle airplane mode or restart the device. If that fails, check the SIM balance and data status, because connectivity issues are the most common cause of silence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.